Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Gatto. Today I want to continue my lesson from yesterday. We are working on adding two-digit numbers to a one-digit number. So our first problem says today, there are 65 straws in the jar. Mrs. Gatto put 6 straws in the jar. How many straws are in the jar now? So let's think about the strategies that we're going to use today. The first strategy that we need to use today is being able to write a number sentence. So our number sentence is going to say 65 plus 6 equals box. So that's the first thing we need to be able to do. We need to be able to figure out if we're adding and subtracting and being able to write a number sentence. So the next step is to break the number apart. We're going to use expanded form to break the number 65 into how many tens and how many ones. So 65 has 60 and 5. And if you say that together, it makes the number 65. We're going to go ahead and show 6 by putting 6 circles or dots. We want to know how many, so now we're changing strategies to combinations of 10. We have a 5, so how many do we need to make 10? So we could count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're making a 10, and we're saying that these 5 and these 5 go together. I don't know if you can see that one still there. So now we are using the strategy 10 more. 60 plus 10 equals 70, and you have 1. So when you say that, it says 71. So our answer is 71 straws. Wonderful job. Now please remember, you can take out a piece of paper and a pencil, and you can work along with me as we're doing these problems. There are 38 gumballs in the gumball machine. My mom put 6 more gumballs in the machine. How many gumballs are in the machine now? So the first step, write your number sentence. So on your paper, you're going to write 38 plus, because we're adding more gumballs, and we're adding 6 more, so 38 plus 6 equals box. So hopefully you have that written on your paper. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to break this number apart. We're going to draw our lines. We're going to say that 38 is 30 and 8. And then we're going to draw our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hopefully your problem looks like this so far. And now we're going to use combinations of 10. We have 8, 9, 10. So if we take the 8 and we take those 2, we can make the number 10. So now we're going to use 10 more. 30 and 10 more is 40. And then you count your leftovers. 41, 42, 43, 44. So you'll write your number 44 in your box, and also we need to make sure if it has an answer line, we put that on the answer line as well. So our answer was 44. Let's try another one. Make sure you have paper that you can write on as well. This problem says, Caesar has 48 bouncing balls. Connor gives him 4 more bouncing balls. How many bouncing balls does Caesar have now? So our first step, write your number sentence. Now a number sentence is not words, it's numbers. So it's 48 plus 4 equals, we don't know yet. So our first step, break the number apart. So on your paper, go ahead and see if you can figure out what is 48. 40 and 8. And then we're going to draw our 4 dots. And then we're going to use our strategy, make 10. So we know 8 and 2 makes 10. And then we're going to use our strategy of 10 more. 40 plus 10 more is 50, 51, 52. So our answer is 52. 52 bouncing balls. Great job. Let's try another one. This one says, there are 69 fish in the fish tank. I put 8 more fish into the fish tank. How many fish are in the fish tank now? So we are going to write our number sentence, which is going to say 69 plus 8 equals, we don't know, so we're going to put our box there. Now we're going to do our first step. First step, break your number apart. So our first step is 69 is 60 and 9. Then we're going to draw 8 circles or 8 dots. And then we're going to make our combination of 10. And I know that if I have 9 and I add 1, that makes 10. So now we're going to use our strategy 10 more. 60 plus 10 more is 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. So our answer is 77 fish. Great job, boys and girls. Let's take a look at the ending today. So what we have here is that it says, what strategies did we use today? So the first strategy we used is what we call expanded form. So an example is 27 is 20 and 7. We used combinations of 10, and we used 10 more than a number. So what I'd like for you guys to do is just to practice a few more number sentences at home. So I'm going to write one here on the screen, and what I would love for you to do is just solve this problem and send me or your class teacher a picture of your problem. So our problem is going to say 77 plus 8 equals box. So this is what we call your exit ticket. Let me write that there. So what I'd like for you to do is to use these 3 strategies. So I don't want you to just write the answer in the box. What I want you to do is to show me all the strategies that we use today in our lesson. So this says exit ticket. So you're going to use expanded form, you're going to use a combination of 10, and you're going to use 10 more than a number. You're going to solve this problem showing your work, and you're going to send that to me or your classroom teacher. Have a great day, boys and girls.